Hello guys, welcome. Here is Winnow Teku, and today I'm going to be sharing something important: how to create a Facebook group. Most people are in the business of driving new leads, making more sales, but they don't know how to really market it. And Facebook has an option where you can really create a group where you can drive constant traffic, free traffic from that group. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to explain to you something basically. And I want you guys to see it this way. Let's say here am I, okay, here am I, and I have products. Products that I want to sell. Now, what I want to do is that these products have to get to people who are interested. These are the customers. There are a lot of customers here. There are a lot of customers here. There are a lot of customers here. So I want these products to get to these customers. So obviously what I have to do is I have to use a platform that can enable me to get to these customers, to get to people who are interested, a platform. And one of the most widely used platforms is Facebook. Facebook is really just good, and it's good because with Facebook you get to drive targeted traffic. So here's what I'm going to do. Let's go to Facebook and I'm going to show you how this thing all works. Okay, so imagine that I'm in Facebook and I want to really drive traffic. I can go to like free ads. There's even Facebook Marketplace where you can drive a lot of traffic. And you'll be posting your links and people will be seeing and people will be contacting you based on your offer. Is it interesting or stuff like that? You see, there are a lot of people that post ads on Facebook. This ad just got 22 comments. That is good. Another way that you can do is, and what I'm really going to advise you guys is, you could also create your own Facebook group where you drive traffic. Like you see, I have two Facebook groups: Marketing Solutions and Big Club Network Cameroon. These are my groups, and you can go to groups, to the group session. It's going to load. The name of the group is creating a group. Do you want the group to be closed or stuff like that? Do you want it to be public? Okay, and you click create. And bam, your group is created. From your group, the advantages are just enormous. You could drive traffic to your group. You could get emails from your group. And you know, email marketing is a good way of following up with people. So guys, if there's something that I really want to talk about today, is the importance of having a Facebook group. You can drive. I post in Marketing Solutions and I get a lot of people, like, people view my posts. People just seen by 7, 5. You understand? People view my posts. Some people like it, which is good, because with the Facebook group, basically, you're getting traffic. And you see, it takes a process. I always tell people you have to be patient in everything you're doing. In the beginning, most people might not really notice what you're doing until what people also want to see is your consistency. How consistent are you? And I bet you if you're consistent, you're going to get that sale. So that is really something that you should think of doing. And this video was all about helping you to know the importance of having a Facebook group and also creating your group. So one more thing before you go, guys. You're going to have to please subscribe to my YouTube channel below if you have not done that already. Subscribe and click the bell button to get notified anytime that we upload a new video. It's very important. And also, place one thing that you should also think of doing is check my website. I'm going to insert a link so that you can visit my website to get in touch with me. Comment below. Tell me what are your difficulties. Are you thinking of starting an online business? What does it you have in mind? Let's just get to share ideas and let's get to connect. I hope this video could help you, and thank you.